Michelle Snyder, local realtor in Indianapolis, today talking to you about closing costs and whether or not you can get a seller to pay closing costs for you as a buyer in this market. Yes, you can. I just recently did this for a buyer, and the trick to this is you need to be looking at properties that have been on the market for a while. 10, 15, 20 days, which doesn't seem like a long time, but in today's market, that actually is when homes are flying off the market the first day within the 1 to 2 days of being on the market. So if a home has been on the market that long or longer and they've gone through a price reduction, that is a good indication of a home that possibly was overpriced to start with, or there might be just something needing to be done to that house. Maybe, there's some repairs in the house that maybe the seller can't do. And if you're willing to overlook some of that stuff, you can actually get into a home and have the sellers take care of some closing costs for you in today's market. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.